So I'm up in Loch Lomond, an iconic Scottish location in what would sort of be my third film in a trilogy with the Inspire 2. I'm slowly getting to grips and falling in love with this drone. So the idea is just to capture a bit of sunset up here in Loch Lomond today, and also talk about what I want to see with the Inspire 3, which is hopefully coming next year. That's very much a guess. I'm not here to talk about any leaks or anything that I haven't found. So let's get the drone in the air. Enough chatting from me, get some wicked shots, and we'll talk about what I want to see in the next platform. So while I fly around here in beautiful looking Loch Lomond, it's nice and foggy, so getting some good shots already. I'm going to quickly talk about what I want to see from the Inspire 3, and the first thing is obviously flight time. With the Inspire 2 you're getting 24 to 27 minutes depending on your payload. In Scotland, where it's pretty much cold a lot of the time, you're getting even less than that. You're getting about 20 minutes, and then already it's getting a wee bit cold. So with the Mavic 3 hitting 45 minutes, I think, and the M30T hitting 40 minutes, there's no reason this can be around that bracket. Secondly, it needs to be more portable. It's still working on the old system. It is about 5, nearly 6 years old, where you're putting the props on, taking the props off. I want to see them fold up like we have with all the other drones, and I think that's inevitable. That's going to be the case. And also be able to fit in a backpack like the M30T can. Taking that big case around, lugging it anywhere, going up hills, whatever you're doing, isn't easy. I haven't really properly tried that because it's not fun. So fitting a backpack would be perfect. I think in terms of payloads, maybe a possible lens kit would be great. I think we need a zoom lens for this drone. There's great possibilities there. If it could work with the X9 that came out with the Ronin 4D camera, that would be awesome. You're getting a full frame sensor there. And I think there's a way that they could combine them all together as a kit offering, like you have with cameras. You have your lens kits with different mils, different types, whether prime or zoom. And I think a drone of this caliber deserves something like that for the next upgrade. So obviously this drone's pretty quick as it is, about 60-70 miles per hour. Can it go quicker? That's what I'd like to see. Should it go quicker? Maybe too dangerous, but us dronies, we like being able to launch it around everywhere. So just to summarize, I think this is the only drone in DJI's arsenal that's not been upgraded. You've got your Mini 3 Pro, your Mavic 3, your M30T being an alternative to the M300. I think it's inevitable that this will be the next step, but it's also a testament to the caliber and quality of this drone that it's lasted the 5-6 years it has. But hopefully we'll see it in 2023 with some exciting new features. Let us know what features you'd like to see down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the shots that we saw today. Luckily got someone to come chuck some stones for a nice slow-mo shot and didn't manage to decapitate him, so that stranger's pretty lucky. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.